Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion reaction itong post ni Kipi Chu 9 minutes ago. Sabi niya, De Lima says sorry for calling Supreme Court one-sided decision. Sabi niya, yes, it's a ground for disbarment for criticizing words like this against the Supreme Court. Natakot madisbar si Congresswoman Leila De Lima, kaya binawi niya yung kanyang kritisismo na one-sided ang Supreme Court sa kanilang desisyon. Ito, sinare ni Kipi Chu ang Manila Bulletin na article. So, Citizen Liberal Party List Representative Leila De Lima issued an apology on Saturday afternoon, July 26, to the Supreme Court after she described its dismissal of Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment case as one-sided. Mabuti naman na nagising sa katotohanan. One-sided. Ito. Basahin natin yung article, ha. Mamamayang Liberal Party List, De Lima. Nabasa ko naman yan. De Lima, a former senator, admitted to releasing her scathing statement on the Supreme Court before she could read its decision on the Vice President's petition to dismiss for violation of one-year bar rule on impeachment complaint. Ito ang pahayag. I regret and most humbly apologize to the Supreme Court for characterizing the impeachment decision as ex parte. Ano ba yung ex parte? One-sided? De Lima said, dagdag pa niya, that portion of my statement saying the House was not given an opportunity to comment on the impeachment petitions were grossly ill-advised as it was based on patently wrong information. Yan! Sige kayo! Dada ng dada, maling information pala yung kinukuha niya. Okay. The House of Representatives is the main respondent in the impeachment case. Definitely, it is not my intention to falsely accuse the Supreme Court. Anong hindi? Sabi nga, one-sided eh. Grabe yung sabi niya yung that's one-sided. Ngayon sabi niya, it is not my intention to falsely accuse the Supreme Court of not considering the side of the respondent House of Representatives. It is plainly evident in the decision, which I was able to read only after the release of my statement yesterday, that the House comments in the two impeachment petitions were indeed considered by the court. Di ba pinasubmit sila nung nag-file na ng petition sina Vice President Sara, yung kampo niya, mga lawyers niya, plus itong kampo ni Attorney Israelito Torion, nag-require na ang ang Supreme Court for the House to submit reply. Very basic yun eh. So ano yung sinasabi na hindi pinakinggan? Yan tuloy. Bilis nyong mag-akusa na one-sided. Ngayon, pa-apology kayo. Sana nga, tanggapin ng Supreme Court ang apology kayo. Baka mamaya, madisbar kayo dyan. Okay. Yan, sabi niya, There is no excuse for this mistake. And I'll bear full responsibility for the same. Oh, sige. In her remarks Friday, shortly after the SC decision was made public, De Lima slammed the ruling as not only unprecedented, it is procedurally questionable. Ako si De Lima, no? The ruling is one-sided. It's not only unprecedented, it is procedurally questionable. Galit na galit. Paano, ito pa yung dagdag niyang, talagang galit eh. Paano naglabas ng pinal na desisyon kung wala pang formal na tugon ang respondent? Ano ba kasi noon, hindi pa siya kongresista noon eh. I don't know kung nasaan siya. Hindi niya na-monitor yung pag-submit ng reply ng House of Representatives. Plus yung dagdag ng mga question na sagutin ninyo, ganun. How was the final decision was made without a formal reply from the respondent? Even traffic violators are given more due process than what was accorded here, the dismayed De Lima earlier said. The decision is basically an ex parte decision, a very prohibited action among judges when the rules require the parties to be given the opportunity to be heard first. Yun. Ay, nako. Ngayon, pa-sorry-sorry kayo. So, hindi kaya nasaktan ang Supreme Court sa mga pahayag ni dali, medyo nawala yun. Nawala. Dali. Ito, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Gary Recto. Conduct and becoming a lawyer, haha, murag madisbargyod ni. Disbargani si Gadon nga dili issi gitira. Archie Enriquez. Lumambot ang saba. OZ, sabi, tawagin mo na lang si Jonel. TJ Hikwa, disbar na oy, touch move. Epi Erlinda, you're the Chief Justice. Sisam, walang sorry, damage has been done. Sapphire Amber, over na sa yabang si Saba, who do you think you are? Contempt na yan. So, delikado, baka madisbar. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Ngayon, namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo ng mas maayos na tirahan ang tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Nani ang natagaan o gyero nga mag-atop na siya karon. O gumana gyud ang pag-atop ni Kuya. So makita gyud nimo nga nahuman na sa iyang balay. So nindot na gyud kay ang balay ni Kuya kay nahuman na siya og balay nakigpuyo lang ni siya sa iyang ginikanan o mo ni ang iyang gikuanan sa iyang balay. So karon Kuya, human naman gyud ni imong balay. So unsa imong masulti nga nakahuman na gyud ka sa inyong balay? O pila na ka tuig ang imong pakigpuyo sa imong ginikanan kay nakipagpuyo man lang ka?
Ako, daw ang pasalamat din ani kay ako di ko makatukod ani kung kuan kay ako gapunan ako sa ako ugangan og kuan ako gimana.
So 5 na ka tuig Kuya. So na kay anak Kuya?
Wala pa.
Wala pa mo'y anak.
ako pasalamat ko sa Ginoo kay ako salamat kay sa Ginoo og makakita sa video dayon. Tungod sa mong kalisod, di kini makagbay kung dili tungod aning unyon. Nabag yun.